video. So I'm making another star because I did remake my video because it was too quiet and too noisy. I'm gonna do it. And make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'm getting all of the plays in here, and make sure you follow me or my sister's TikTok, which is Gabby Loves. I know it's different from my YouTube account, but it's okay because again make my TikTok and that is my first and like this, and all of my not all of my TikTok was in YouTube account, but some of them. Okay, now here's the star that I have, and here's the other star I have. So I'm gonna get this deck, this decorator. I'm gonna put it at the back. Okay. Ooh, so nice! Look. Ooh. I'm gonna design here too. So we just roll some of pink. And then maybe I'm gonna roll some of the red too. I like red. And maybe there's white because it's so white when I got it. I'm gonna make it a star and here. Okay. Now I need to get it as much as it will be. Okay, now I can put the card. Okay, here's the card with some red ones. And I'm gonna put shape on it. What shape? I don't know. I'm just gonna put it as normal. With lines. I know my lines are not perfect, but just, stick with it. I'm not gonna say it right. Okay, so there. And there. And there. And there. And there. And there. 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 Now here's all of my lines. It's like a truck. So I'm gonna chop it. Chop. Chop. Now here's all of it. And I can just get it. There it is. Woo. I'm gonna put it in my star. Not in my star, but in the stick. So I'm gonna put it that. It's only one. Maybe I'm gonna put it as thin as I do. I'm gonna roll it like this. Okay, now let me just get this off. I'm not gonna use it like this anyway. Oopsies. Okay, there. Now there it is. It's super thin. I just have to put it in here. Here it is. It's not good. It has a lot of bumps, but I'm gonna fix it later. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, now oopsies. It flew. Now I just did it. Now it's so cute. Now this. Pow! Oopsies. Yes, break it up. like a wand, and now I'm gonna do the red part. It's like, yeah, it's half now. Okay, now here's the red ones. That's all I have, but there's a lot. But different colors. Just I just twisted it with another color. With another color. Okay, now here's the red. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna squish it, but I'm gonna put it here. Put it here. Okay, I'm gonna put this up. There you go. It's gonna be much higher, and the top is a mess, but it's okay. So we're gonna do after I do this. And maybe I'm gonna do a house tour. Yeah, a house tour in everyone. Only the house tour and the reverse rooms I'm not gonna go. There will be a room tour. Each one because there is like 4 rooms, but I'm not gonna tell where it is. Here it is. It's still not done because there's still much more. There's still more. Now here, oops, I'm not gonna quite show it because it's still not yet done. And I'm gonna make sure it's the best. I'm using this card too. I'm gonna do it like this so that it's gonna straight. And there's gonna be crumbs. Ta-da! Here is special one. So it's got a star. It has a star, and then a pink one, which is below the star. It's a second one, and a red one. Maybe I need to put some designs in here. So I'm not too sure if this is done or not, but I'm not gonna put design. It's still my first one, and I hope you enjoy. And bye!